Hey, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through our styles tab, which we've got in Foundry for WordPress. Just to begin, we'll head to the admin area. It's just a basic local WordPress install I've got here. And I've just created a blank fresh page just for the sake of this video. We'll call it styles. Hoi, why not? Okay, so basically what this video is going to cover is just this part here. Something, if you use WordPress a lot, you wouldn't have seen this. This is unique to our theme. It's just some extra styles, so that if you're not using Visual Composer and working with a more traditional WordPress editor, then you can still give things a bit of nice kick. I'll show you now. Right, so if I just take some text. Luckily, I've got a Chrome extension for that. Okay, so we've got some blurb in there now. Let's just publish that and see what we're dealing with to begin with, and then we'll start tweaking it and just show you how this feature can change how things look. Okay, so on the front end of the site, we can just see we've got our basic page. Not an awful lot to look at, and there's our text there. Let's say we want to use or highlight this first line here, maybe a bit of lead text. Then all you've got to do is, much like the rest of the WordPress WYSIWYG options here, just highlight the option you need, and you've got text styles here, so we can uppercase, faded, or in this case what we're going to do is go with lead. And I think maybe just to demonstrate the different options we had there, we'll change one here and we'll have just uppercase, and we will have faded. Okay, just to show you what this all means on the front, publish the page and refresh here. There we go. So you can see there we've got the lead text as we wanted. We've then also applied the uppercase text, and then we've got another example here with the faded text. So with these first three options, you can see there you've got a lot more control. It's very easy to make very unique and very stylish posts and pages. If we take a look a bit deeper, we've also got some buttons and things in there as well. So let's just begin. Here, and we'll just make a link out of this. Don't need a URL, just put a hash in there for now. And now that that's become a link, you'll see when we highlight that text, we can now use these button styles here. So just to kind of go into that a little bit deeper, what you may notice if you're kind of highlighting something, going here, and some of these things are faded out, basically what's faded out is simply things that aren't applicable for what you've got highlighted. So obviously this isn't a link or a button, so it's useless, whereas this here we've got a link, so that could potentially be a button, and we will style that now as a button. And again, just as a bit of an example, just create a couple more as well, just to show you the different versions of the buttons that we've got in the theme for you. Okay, so we've already given that one the button class. For a bit of difference, we will have a filled button, and maybe a large button. Everyone likes a large button. Okay, let's update, and we'll refresh our page again and see what we've got. And there you go. You can see we've got a big fat button, a nice filled in button, and a regular button from the rest of the theme, all with zero HTML at all. It's just very, very, very straightforward. Okay, so that covers the styles tab for Foundry. Any problems with this, or if you need any more tips, then just come and see us over at support. Other than that, I hope this has been useful, and thanks for watching.